This is a good one today. We're gonna take you around the island of Syros on an excellent tour. We're gonna show you some great stops. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Erica.
And we're your guides abroad.
Ermoupolis is only 200 years old city. Ori in Greek language means ship.
Oh.
They had ships and they built these houses on the water in order to feel like being in a ship.
All right, first stop was on the island right shore of Syros, where the lighthouse is. First lighthouse apparently in the Aegean that had like a mechanical rotating light. But it's a shipwreck, there's a fire on board, it sank in the late 80s, and it's just right below the surface. So you just get this great view, jump in, or you can just see it from being on the boat too. So anyways, that was cool. Wow, right? Wow, look at that water.
I feel like going out on a tour like this, in the first, what is it, hour and a half, I have learned more facts and history than I have in the past more than 2 months that we've been here. So the first port was here in Ermoupolis before there was a port in Piraeus. So I think that's very cool. The second one, this is just a fun fact. We were talking about octopus. Octopus is actually a Greek word. Octo is 8 and pous is the ancient Greek word for feet. You don't know until you know, right?
Here's another stop for you. Barbarossa Beach, named after the famous Barbary Coast pirate, Captain Barbarossa, pirate. He used to hide here, wait for ships to go by, and also they say he buried his treasure here also. I mean, this is where I would do it. But one sure fact is that they have a quarry here where they mine the marble and then take it here to Ermoupolis. Anyways, this is a beautiful beach to stop at and go for a swim. Why I love these tours is twofold. First of all, you get all these great facts on the island. You learn all about the history of the island. So if you're staying on Syros for a couple of days, it's a great way to learn some history and learn about the island while you're here. Plus, you get to get out on the water. And that's my second thing is you gotta get on the water. You visit all these amazing remote beaches. Right now we're at the northern part of the island. It's a protected area, no development at all. You can hike in that hot Greek sun, or just take a leisurely boat cruise with some nice refreshments that they brought on board and explore the beaches, explore up, find some hidden springs up there with the crew, or just jump in the water like we're about to do. All right, we're off again, and we got one more stop as we're on top of the island. I think it's gonna be a sea cave. I think it's gonna be really cool. All right, I just want to say that it's a very smooth ride in a raft. That's why I love these rafts. You just really go over the waves. So if you've got seasickness issues or you're worried about seasickness, it's a little wind today, a little bit of chop, super smooth. It's really nice. Plus you're on the raft, you're always looking on the horizon, looking at the island. It's just a nice smooth ride. Whoa, we going in? Whoa, whoa, look at that. That's how you do it, man. Teamwork, that's a good captain. Nice, oh, that's it.
That's Tinos, that's Andros, and that one had a jail on it. Yaros with a jail on it from Roman times. Right. And this is the Northern Lighthouse right here. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. You're not getting up here without a boat. Okay, that was such a wonderful day out. I really, truly, highly recommend going out on a boat tour, going out with Spira Cyclades. This was an excellent tour. We've been around the whole island. We have swam, we've gotten history. I feel like I know this island so much better. I mean, where else can you see water like this? It's crazy. So go down to the description, book the link in the description below, check it out. This is a locally owned and operated family-run company from Syros, and it's excellent. So I hope you enjoy it. We certainly did. I want to do it again. All right, thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your trip to Syros. Spanakopita aqui, right?
Spanakopitaki, one word.
Oh, Spanakopita aqui. Yeah.
Flying Edie. Oh, big guy, the big guy. Pick her up, pick her up.